OnePlus 15 versus OnePlus 15R. So let's start the video. The OnePlus 15 comes with a 6.78 inches of full HD plus resolution, 1.5K resolution display, and it is a 165 Hz refresh supported HDR10 plus supported display, protected with the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. Where the OnePlus 15R mobile comes with a 6.82 inches of slightly bigger display than this mobile, and it is also the 165 Hz refresh rate, 1.5K resolution, Dolby HDR10 supported display, which is protected with the Corning Gorilla Glass 7i. Now, when we talk about the process, the OnePlus 15 comes with a flagship processor that is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, which is a 3nm based octa-core 5G processor. The OnePlus 15R comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 5, which is also a flagship processor, but lower clock version of the Gen 5. And when we talk about the memory variants, these two are obviously available in similar variants like 12GB RAM 256, 12GB RAM 512, and 16GB RAM 512GB internal storage variant. Now these two are similar. LPDDR5X storage variant RAM types, and the UFS 4.1 storage capacities. But the iQOO 15 comes with a LPDDR5X Ultra Plus RAM type, which has quite a bit of smaller, higher bandwidth than the LPDDR5X Ultra. When we talk about the cameras, the OnePlus 15R mobile comes with just dual cameras on the backside, 50mm main wide angle camera with optical image stabilization, and also a 8 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera. But the OnePlus 15 comes with a triple rear cameras, where we can find a 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera with optical image stabilization, and also a 50 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera, and also a 50 megapixels of telephoto camera. So we can shoot up to 8K 60fps with this OnePlus 15 mobile, and 4K 60 with this OnePlus 15R. And both the mobiles doesn't come with any Hasselblad partnership, but they do have their own processing engine. They called it as Gamma engine. When we talk about the batteries, these two mobiles comes with huge, enormous batteries, but with small differences. The OnePlus 15R mobile comes with a 7,400 mAh, a huge, enormous battery, and it supports 80 watts of fast charge through wire, but it doesn't have any wireless or reverse wireless charging. Where the OnePlus 15 mobile comes with a 7,300 mAh, slightly 100 mAh smaller battery than this one, but it supports 120 watts of fast charge through wire, 50 watts of wireless, and 15 watts of reverse wireless charge. So it is a good thing. These two mobiles comes with the same IP68, 69 and 69K resistance. And when we talk about these two mobiles, build quality, these two mobiles build out of metal frames and front and back glasses. And these two mobiles are also runs on Android version 16 out of the box with one Oxygen OS 16, which is the smoothest UI. When we talk about these two mobiles, connectivity, these two mobiles comes with almost 17 plus 5G bands, and these two mobiles are also comes with the Wi-Fi 7 tri-band Wi-Fi support, Bluetooth 6.0, and NFC. These are the other features, and these two mobiles comes with other sensors like gyroscope, proximity sensor, accelerometer, compass, everything. OnePlus 15R comes with their own customized gaming OS features. But the OnePlus 15 comes with the extra features. Those are extra Wi-Fi chip to provide you the unbreakable ping, and also it comes with the other frame rate booster engine, which adds fake frames when you are gaming. Same case with the OnePlus 15R too. And these two mobiles also comes with the similar features mostly, but with differences, like in camera section, and we can see the difference, and also in the battery section we can see the difference, and also in the processor. Those three are the major portions which we can see the difference. But the OnePlus 15R was priced at 49,950,000 rupees, we could say it, but the OnePlus 15 was priced at 73,000 rupees. Yes, that means there is a 23,000 rupees. Yes, okay, that is correct. It is a 23,000 rupees difference. But so I will also leave a link to buy these two mobiles in the description box down below. So go and buy it from there, and do let me know if you purchased any one of the mobile, how they look and how they feel. So when we talk about the box contents of these two mobiles, they are almost similar. Like these two mobiles comes with a charger, cable, and also TPU case, and also SIM tool included in the box of the mobile. So typical OnePlus box. So these are the features of this mobile. So according to me, if you don't take that much camera, I mean pictures or videos, or you want bigger battery and kind of hardcore gamer, this OnePlus 15R is still a good choice. But if you want maxed out features, maxed out battery with maxed out cameras, then you can go with this OnePlus 15. But my opinion is, if you are going to purchase a mobile, you can also consider iPhone 17, which is available at 81,000 rupees right now. It is going to increase soon by till 89,000. So that's also another choice. So that's it for the video. Hit the like button and also the subscribe button.